Let's go into my second bedroom on the second floor, opposite my bedroom. I tidied up earlier, swept, mopped, dusted, washed everything. Oh, the view here is just of bamboo tree leaves and coconut or palm tree leaves. Okay, this is the next door, just empty plot of land with wood factory, or I don't know what you call. So look at this bamboo leaves right here. Look, I can even touch. Look there, I can touch from my bedroom, from my second bedroom upstairs. So this is the view from here. It's overcast. Hello. Today is Tuesday, and I don't do Vlogmas this year though, because it's not like I have a lot of subscribers. So last 2 years ago I did it, thinking that that would generate some subscribers, but it didn't. It's all right, you know. What is to be, then I should leave it as is. I can't force people to subscribe if they don't feel the need to do that with my channel. So I'm just doing it for fun. Alright, so today is the 5th of December, or is it 6th? And again, I haven't received my transfer that I made on the 1st of December from the usual my bank in Milan. Until now I haven't received, and it's already Tuesday. Granted that the 1st December was Thursday, so I thought maybe, you know, Monday would be here, which would have been yesterday. But instead today is Tuesday and it's already 2 p.m. and I haven't received any money whatsoever. So here we go again. But last Friday, which was the 2nd of December, I called my bank again in Milan to make sure that there was no error again in spelling or bank account number or whatnot. That seemed to be the problem in the last 3 times that I did. But today I still haven't received. I just wanted to share that with you. Can you imagine, today is, I mean, this month is Christmas month. So I just surrender. Have to cover with plastic because it's been raining on and off, but not strong rain. So again, I cleaned yesterday, washed it and wiped it from all the dust that accumulated from in the front of the pool room, and changed again a little bit of the positions of some of the things here. And this is my Christmas tree, but I think I need more baubles or tinsels, or it's very calm though, calming. I don't like too many things going on for my Christmas tree in Jakarta, because I have a lot of greeneries around me. I have a lot of carvings and wood. I don't need a full Christmas tree with all the ornaments. I think this is sufficient for me. Besides, it's not like I have a big family living here, or children or grandchildren that come here frequently or for Christmas. So I think this should be sufficient. What say you? Waiting for food delivery today, Tuesday. I'm hungry, even though I haven't received any money from Italy, but I need to eat. Order out, because here is not expensive, so It's been raining. It's all wet out here. Of December 2022, and only this morning I checked my bank account here. My money from Milan has arrived at last. So since this morning I've been busy sending laundry for the first time. In Ikea, Jakarta. Oh, look at all those dresses. I didn't know that. Oh, this is a private seller. Okay. So this is Ikea in Jakarta. Alright. My second time here. But it's so practical because it rains outside, so you park inside, indoor. So there's no hassle to come here. Now I know. I come with my nephew. I'm having at last my favorite Swedish meatballs. However, I'm a little bit disappointed because they're a little bit too Swedish, too suit Indonesian palate. Because Indonesian people like to eat Swedish things, but at least better than nothing. So I'm here in Ikea. Having lunch first before we go and attack. No, I just want to buy a few things. That's all. So here I am. Okay, I'm done with my shopping in Ikea. Sorry, I forgot to vlog inside there. Now I'm waiting for my nephew. He's in the men's room, and then I'm going to get some coin to buy ice cream, and then on the way home. But we're going to stop over in another place because I want to buy a cold pen. Waiting for my nephew, not cousin, nephew. But I want to buy cold pencil on the way home in this open air mall that you've seen already on my on my videos. Okay, so here I am, done with the shopping. I bought a vase. See, I bought a vase. Anyway, maybe I can make a haul later from Ikea Jakarta, Alam Sutra. Kita di Ikea di Alam Sutra. Kita udah selesai shopping. Sekarang udah mau pulang, tapi mampir sebentar di Citos karena mau beli pensil satu, pensil untuk mata. Tapi udah selesai shopping. See you. Okay, this is my new vase that I bought yesterday in Ikea. It looks classic, which is not bad at all. I was going to get a ceramic one, but it looks more cottagey. Well, this one, it looks more classic. So, but I'm going to add more gravels inside so that when the wind comes from here strongly, it would just stay put, doesn't move. Because yesterday the broken one was narrow at the bottom and tall. Now let's hope it works, but we're going to add some more gravel. My gardener said no, please add more, so he's going to get some more. Okay, it's overcast today. This is all the ceiling that the brother of my gardener is going to renovate. Change everything to new ceiling. Ini kok. Ini all this, yeah. All this will be changed. All this to nice and neat ceiling. Okay. Okay.
Jadi kan ntar Bu bisa tahu hasil
bedanya ya. Sunday morning. My gardener is off, but luckily he switched off that light over there because I bought those lights there the other day and left them on last night. Luckily he switched it off, but this one it's on since 1st of December. Purposely leave it on. That is the new face. My white orchids have bloomed abundantly. So I just discovered that this is not supposed to work like that. It should have a little bit of like a top, I don't understand, where the water will be purified, or not purified, what do you call that? Clarified? No. To make it clear so that we can see the fish. But I need to have that thing. Apparently it was here before and I don't know what happened already years ago. Nobody really reported to me and say, look, we have to replace that. So I never asked to build a new one or to have a new one. Hence for the water that's murky, you can't see the fish. But now I understand you need that special system or tub or whatever you call filter, I don't know. Anybody an expert on my channel, please give me some suggestions if you would or could. So that will be another project. Wow, this is, look at that. Look at the whole work that he has to do. Can you believe that? Look at that. All right. So I'm just showing you the what do you call that? The size of the project that we are working here. My gardener's brother. Look at the bananas. Look at the bananas there. Are coming. The bed sheets, towels, and bed cover have arrived. This is the first time I had laundry service from outside. Upstairs, my towel, my tablecloth, and my bed throw. It's a good thing that I can have all these remote controls with my mic and the camera so that you don't have to see me perspiring. So all good here so far. Another discovery. This kind of, I'm sorry to just share with you, but this is also important for anybody to know that even if I trust somebody, sometimes that somebody you trust doesn't really do the things that you thought they were doing. So for example, I just discovered 3 days ago that my drinking water has been the drinking water that is not what I expected to buy. Apparently the drinking water that has been purchased for my drinking water has been water that is not suitable for people to drink. You can drink, but mainly for cooking. And all this time I've been paying for this person, you know who, to buy my drinking water, 5 bottles a month to put on the dispenser. And apparently this person has been buying the cheaper range, which is only for cooking water. Luckily sometimes I felt strange, but luckily so far all okay. But 5 years that this person has been buying water that was not a normal drinking water, and I just discovered 3 days ago, and the price is 3 times cheaper, and she's been asking me every month to buy 5 big gallons of the containers for the water to be put on the dispenser, and I've been paying for it every month. Instead, she's been buying first the 3 times cheaper range of drinking water, and it's not suitable to drink. There's a word for that, right? When you can drink, it's not drinkable, potable. Yeah, it's not really a potable water because it was more suitable for cooking. But now I found out that the constructors, you know, when they're at the site, they drink that kind of water. So I've been given this drinking water for 5 full years, paying 3 times more expensive a month and 5 gallons a month, where now I just found out that I don't need 5 gallons a month. 4 gallons would be enough already. So this is a new huge disappointment. I realized that this person did to me. And also, you know, sometimes I have to blame myself because I'm too trustworthy to people at face value. Apparently, this person was really at face value, very good to me. Little did I know that behind my back there was so many things that she did by deceiving little bit of money here, money there, missing here, missing there, broken here, broken there. And now I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful that I'm given a chance to discover these kind of things that have been going on with this person working in my house. Guys, that's about it for this week's vlog. I hope wherever you are doing well and enjoying yourself on this festive season. And I just wanted to share whatever I needed to share with you, so that you also know that sometimes in life, when there is something that you find not adding up, please listen to your feeling, because I've been having that for the past 2 years intensively, but I tried to ignore because I didn't want to ruffle some feathers. But in the end, the universe works itself out, and all things now are in the open. Effortlessly, I discovered that all these things have been happening behind my back. So please do listen to your guts whenever there is something you find or you feel that's not right. Okay, and also I'd like to ask that those who find that I speak too slow, you can speed it up to 1.5 times, I think. So please do, because I know I speak very slow, because until now in front of the camera I find myself very awkward to speak because I'm alone. Maybe if there's somebody else, yes, I would speak much more natural. All right, those who just pass by, please do subscribe if you like my content, and thank you for subscribing, and I hope to be seeing you again next week. All right, thank you very much. You take care. Ciao, arrivederci.